Hello students, let us continue the numerical solutions in accountancy CBSE syllabus plus 2 standard admission of partners. The question number 6, ABC are partners sharing profits in the ratio 3:2:2. They admitted D as a new partner for 1/5 share which he acquired from A, B and C in the ratio 2:1, that is sacrificing ratio. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. So let us compute the new profit sharing ratio. There are old partners A, B and C. D is a new partner. The previous partner is A, B and C. So the old ratio 3:2:2. That means if you total it 3/7, 2/7 and 2/7. The new share given to D is 1/5 share. Please listen, they admitted D as a new partner for 1/5 share which he acquired from ABC in the ratio 2:1. That means the share of D, that is 1/5, has been contributed by A, B and C in the ratio 2:1. That means the sacrificing ratio between A, B, C towards D is 2:1. That means 2/5, 2/5 and then 1/5. So the quantum of sacrifice by A, B, C towards D is, we have to find it out. So sacrifice 1/5 into 2/5, 1/5 into 2/5, 1/5 into 1/5. So this is the quantum of sacrifice but all existing partners. That means 2 divided by 25, 2 divided by 25, 1 divided by 25. This is a sacrifice. So in order to find out a new profit sharing ratio, the old ratio minus the sacrificing portion, then we can find out new profit sharing ratio. So new ratio equal to old minus sacrifice. But as far as A is concerned, old is, so new ratio old 3/7 minus sacrifice is 2/25. And then B 2/5, the old ratio, I mean 2/7, sacrifice 2/25. C 2/7 minus 1/25. So if we take LCM 25 into 7, that means 175. 4 times, so 175. So 175, the 7 out of 175, 25 times. So 25 into 3, so 75 minus 25 out of 175, 7 times. So 7 into 2, 14. So the ratio is, 75 minus 14, that means 61 divided by 175. And then next here the same LCM 175. The 7 out of 175 is 25 times. So 25 into 2, 50. 25 out of 175, 7 times. So 7 into 2, 14. So 50 minus 14, that is 36 divided by 175. Likewise here also the LCM 175. The 7 out of 175, 25 times. So 25 into 2, 50. Minus 25 out of 175 is 7 times. So 7 into 1, 7. So 43 divided by 175. So the new ratio among A, B, C is 61 by 175, 36 divided by 175, 43 divided by 175. Here only 1 by 5. But we should convert, the base should be 175. So if base should be 175, we must multiply into 35. Both denominator and numerator must be divided by, multiplied by 35. So 35 divided by 175. So all bases are correct, the same, 175. The ratio, the new profit sharing ratio will be between A, B, C and D equal to 61 is to 36 is to 43 is to 35. So this is a new profit sharing ratio. Next, the question number 7. A, B are partners in a firm sharing profits in 3:2 ratio. They admitted C for 3/7 share, which he took 2/7 from A and 1/7 from B. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Here there are only two partners, the existing partners. So A, B and C. C is a new partner. So old ratio is 3/2. 3:2. 3:2 means 3/5, 2/5. The share given to C, that is 3/7. So this portion of 3/7 C obtained from 2/7 from A and 1/7 from B. That means you can calculate 2/7 from A and then 1/7 from B. If we add 3/7, so his portion he takes from A and B 2/7 and 1/7. So the sacrifice 2/7 and then 1/7. New profit sharing ratio is old minus sacrifice. Old 3/5, sacrifice 2/7, and then here for B 2/7 old, 2/5 old minus sacrifice 1/7. So LCM 35 you can take it. 35, 5 out of 35, 7 times, 7 into 3, 21. 7 out of 35, 5 times, 5 into 2, 10. So 11/35. Here 35 LCM and then 5 out of 35, 7 times, 7 into 2, 14. Minus 7 out of 35, 5 times, 5 into 1, 5. So 9/35. See, the same ratio 3/7. But for others A, B, the base is 35. So you have to convert the base 35. So we have to multiply both denominator and numerator 5 times. So 3 into 5, 15 divided by 7 into 5, 35. So his share for C. So the share will be between A, B, C 11/35, 9/35, 15/35. So the ratio will be new profit sharing ratio 11:9:15. The next one, the question number 8. A, B and C were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 3:3:2 ratio. They admitted D as a new partner for 4/7 share of profit. D acquired his share, that means 4/7 share, 2/7 from A, 1/7 from B and 1/7 from C. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Let's calculate the partners A, B, C and D. A, B, C are the existing old partners. So old ratio 3:3:2. That means 3/8, 3/8, 2/8. The share given to D, that means 4/7. This portion 4/7 D acquires from 2/7 from A, and then 1/7 from B, and then 1/7 from C. So if we calculate L7 LCM, then 3 plus 4/7. So he takes 2/7 from A, 1/7 from B, 1/7 from C. So the sacrificing by A, B, C is sacrificing. A has to sacrifice 2/7, B has to sacrifice 1/7, C has to sacrifice 1/7. So new ratio will be old minus sacrifice. So old 3/8 minus 2/7. Here 3/8 minus sacrifice 1/7. For C 2/8 minus 1/7. So if you take LCM, or you can, there is another way, you can cross multiply. So if we multiply cross, 7 into 3 21, 8 into 3 8 into 2 16 divided by 56. Likewise, or otherwise you can take LCM. 56, the same 56. So 8 out of 56, 9 3s are 8 out of 56, 7 times, 7 into 3 21, 7 out of 56, 8 times, so 8 into 1 8. And then here the 56 LCM, 7 times, 7 into 2 14 minus 7 out of 56, 8 times, so 8 into 1 8. So 5/56 is to 13/56 is to, and then 6/56 is to, and then 4/7. The base are 56. So we must convert the base of D also. It should be 56. If we want to 56, then 8 times we have to multiply. So 32 divided by 56. So the ratio will be 5:13:6:32. That is a new profit sharing ratio among A, B, C and D.